How to fix TikTok and search videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and in order to fix these issues of TikTok not showing search results, simply follow this step. Launch TikTok. Tap on profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap three-line menu icon in top right. Select Setting and Privacy. Scroll down. Tap Log Out and tap on Log Out button and log back in to see if the search function is restored. If that doesn't help you, you simply need to clear the app cache. Long press on TikTok app icon and choose eye icon. Now choose the storage users option and select clear cache. With that, you need to restart the app and check the search features again. The next step you can follow is simply update the app. Open Play Store. And now tap on the search icon at bottom right, tap search bar and type in TikTok. If you see update button, select update and update it to the latest version. Updating the app can fix bugs and improve the performance. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connections. If your Wi-Fi is not working well, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Even if the problem persists, you can reach out to the TikTok support for further assistance. So with this, you can easily fix scan search videos or fix the TikTok search bar. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.